There it is, man. Y'all see that thing mounted up in there, man. It's there. I'm satisfied, you too, you too. '72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Are you working on an LS swap, or do you have the desire to do a LS swap? I want to encourage somebody today. I want to help uplift somebody today. I want to let you know you're going to get your opportunity to do your LS swap if you haven't yet. If you working on your LS swap and you ain't driving it around yet, it's coming to YouTube. Today, YouTube, I want to take y'all back to the day I installed my LS3 and my 4L60E in my 72 convertible Impala, YouTube. Just to remind you what putting God first, hard work, patience, and consistency will lead you to, YouTube. But before we do that, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevy's R Us, Tone. Let Chevy's R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube. There it is, man. Y'all see that thing mounted up in there, man. It's there. Me and my man Zoe, and my other man Marcus, we got it all done, man. YouTube. What's up? It's your boy Tone. Coming back at y'all once again, man. We out here. I got my man Harris with me today. My boy Marcus, he's out here with me. You know, he the first one on ship. But we're getting ready to drop this motor in. LS3 '72 Chevy Impala. Alright, we finna get started, y'all. I think we're gonna get the wheels on first, so we can get it out the garage a little bit. And after that, we'll work on getting this guy right here. Let me show you. Work on getting the engine, put it up to the transmission. So we ready to go in then. So we'll be back in a minute, YouTube.
Yesterday that Elon Musk is not going to buy Twitter after all. Something didn't go right with the deal, and that's all right with me because I taste for pranks. That's why I shot one on every hour of every show. And this hour is your turn, Miss Kia Conwell in Lemoore, California. Okay, way out there in Lemoore, California. Kia Conwell. Hope you're having a great weekend. Thank you for making us a part of this Heart and Soul, Sirius XM with Mike Shannon. I know you
I'm gonna be taking this down.
Personal page.
Keep it out.
Send a friend request if we're not friends yet, but just go right to my DMs. Let me know who you are and where you live. You know, you sit in the town. And then you got a shout out. It's that easy. Here's Agnes Mo. Patience.
binding on something. You gotta let it down in the front.
Yep. Down the front, kind of
Push
push
it.
it. The thing about it is that jack.
I'll tell you what,
there should be enough room because
might need to let that jack down just a little bit. Let me let it down just a little bit.
no, it ain't the jack. I'm telling you what we gotta do. We gotta once we let that jack up all the way further it can go, we gotta push it. Push the engine back with the jack. And once
I
we
got
push the engine back with the jack, one of us let it down easy.
Yeah, I know, I got you. Let's do it. Let me let it down in the front a little bit. All right, let me come down a little bit.
So we let that jack up. How we can get it.
Watch the back. Watch the firewall. Watch the firewall. Make sure nothing ain't binding.
Ain't nothing behind you.
Come down a little bit more. Hold on, I gotta come down a little bit more.
All right, right there. We gotta line these up.
Yep. See if we push forward. Nine. Well, I got it.
It ain't that.
Yeah, we gonna have to. Let me let it down a little bit, and then we'll let me let it down a little bit, then we'll push it and rock.
But you said these things moving though, right?
Yeah, they move, but they might be pushed all the way back. So let's just do that. Yeah, they pushed all the way back. So, let me jack it up, back it up a little bit. They always back. That's okay. We can push it. It's close enough to where we can get it in there. Let me let it down a little bit because it's not gonna go. But so far,
Let it up a little bit before we pushed it.
it's okay. Trust me, man. Let me let it down a little bit. Let me let it down because this side is almost on. Hey. See if you can push that side and kind of just tap it. There you go. Shake it. Shake it. That side on? Okay. All right. Let me turn this a little bit this way.
Shake that in and we can get the other side.
Kind of shake it. I tell you what, I'm gonna push the transmission. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Let me jack it up.
Jacking it up. I'm gonna shake it, try to get this.
There you go. There you go. Hold on. Let me jack it up a little bit. How's it coming? Shaking?
No, you can't shake it. Get the other side on. Hold on.
Oh, it's almost on, bro. Okay, it's almost on now.
You gotta jack it up a little bit more. You gotta jack it up on a little bit more. You want to stretch out this way.
Man, I ain't worried about that. Just shake it. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now, I think this bolt is almost just about in. So let me do this. Almost in. I tell you what, you shake it. Shake it. There you go. Almost what you got. It's almost in like you just do anything. You got all that room. That means that you need to
Oh yeah, she in there now.
Hey boy, hey boy.
She's sitting in there.
Yeah, she is, ain't she?
Yeah, we gotta shake it over here. Then.
Come down just a little bit and then shake it. You come down just a hair. Don't shake it yet.
Probably did go down on his own. Yep, it is.
That's it, ain't it? You see?
Rock it forward a little bit, but it might go on.
Over there.
And you gotta go the other way though.
Yeah.
We gotta just shake it, rock it a little bit.
Yeah.
Go down a little bit. Cause that's where it's at. We Down a little bit
jack
and
it up.
over.
Jack it up a little bit. Just jack it up a little bit. Just a tad. Half a crank. Go up.
Push it.
Alright, I'll tell you what, let's do this. Let me do this.
Look at it now.
Nah, let me do this. Let me do this. I got it. Trust me.
Yeah, they had that sway bar up under there. Just slid that bad boy and let it sit on them.
What is that?
That sway bar. That bar up under there. Yep. There you go.
Hold it.
You gotta, hold on. Okay, move that jack over a little bit.
I just need a big screwdriver, man. That's all I need. Once I get a big screwdriver, let me find my big screwdriver. Oh, here it is, right here. Watch this.
Just need to come on just a little bit.
Alright. You fly that back like that, and I'm gonna put it in the back end. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Still ain't going. Ho. Oh, before you do that, okay, I see. Alright, do it again. Yeah, do it again.
Look at big screwdriver.
Okay.
Put pressure on the engine, move the whole engine.
I
Big
got it.
screwdriver you just had.
This crowbar,
Yep. And when I push it, you just
push it,
put
pop it
in.
in.
That's all it is.
1, 2. I'll tell you what.
You know what?
What?
Drop it down some more. Drop that engine down some more. I think it'd be easier to rock it if it's down lower. Yeah.
Let's do it like this. Do it like this. Do it like this. Oh yeah. That's gonna be it right there. I'm gonna pull it. Put it in from the front. See if it go in from the front. 1, 2, 3. Push it in. That's it right there. Hold on. Pull it out. Can you pull that over while I push? Pop it in. Pull that up like that. And then I'll pop it in from the front. I can't lean over like you too long. My dog gonna hip, boy. You gotta get a real good pull on it. You kind of gotta pull up over.
You know what we need to do?
What?
Jack on that transmission a little bit. Jack that transmission up a little bit so it can move that engine around a little bit and see if we can get it adjusted a little bit.
Let me
kinda-
do that. Jack on up.
Yeah.
Tell me if it's moving when I jack it.
Yeah. Jack the transmission up, it's gonna make the front part go down and I'm
Tell me what it's looking like.
I got you. Go ahead.
This transmission is on the roof up here. It ain't gonna go down no more.
It ain't gonna go up?
No, it ain't gonna go up no more. I might need to move it down. I'm gonna jack it the back end down, and you tell me which way it's going.
Alright, go ahead. down too far. All right, but keep what you got. Keep what you got right there.
I just jacked it down a little bit. Did it line up a little more?
Nah, it went down over there, so maybe we jack it.
You might be able to push it now.
It probably line up a little different.
Oh yeah. It looks like it's trying to. Okay, down. Oh. Might have to push down on it, and then it'll go in there.
Let's see, ease it down a little bit.
Nope. Jack back up on it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. All right, let's see if we can put something in that front and get the back end. Right there. That's it right there. That's gonna get it. Hold that. Here.
And the back of that transmission down, probably.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. That's it. All right, take it out. Take it out. That's it.
Ease it down. Just
Now I gotta ease it down a little bit and pop that front end. And just a little bit.
Oh, what you got? Wrestle with it. Wrestle with it. I'm finna ease it down a little bit.
Down just a little bit. Come down with it. You coming down with it?
Yeah.
All right, that's it. Okay. It ain't gonna go down no further. I tell you what, let me jack back up on the back of the transmission. It'll lean it forward and lean that front part down a little bit.
Yeah.
Then it'll go in. That boy look good sitting up in there, bro.
Yeah.
Put this in a little bit, and it should line up. What is it looking like?
Go ahead, keep on going. If it's coming down, the front of the engine coming down, so keep on going. Do what you're doing.
That's what we need, right?
Yep, keep on going.
Okay, I can't go up no more. I'm building my transmission pad.
Okay, hold on. Now, the only thing we gotta do is just rock this whole engine over, man, and push that bolt in.
Yep.
We gotta put that crowbar in there and just push it over and push that bolt in. That's all we gotta do. Let's do it. Push this bolt over.
Hold on, let it go. You ain't moving. I tell you what, let's loosen up this one and this one a little bit and let it, that way it can maneuver just a little bit. Let me get a wrench.
Probably should have put that on first. Probably should have put that
but you can't, they gotta be. Let it down.
It's all the way down. It's all the way down. So
All right, let it up.
haven't let it up.
Just put one foot on it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Rock that bad boy.
There you go. I got it. I got it. It's in there. You can get on. Get off of it now.
She's in there.
Yep. See him now. Now, I'm not gonna tighten this up. I'm just gonna, you know, kind of tighten it up a little bit. All right, that's good. Now, I'm gonna slide forward 2.5 inches. Come forward.
And just keep the sliders loose, and that should be the last thing.
Yeah, that's gonna be the last thing. I'm gonna tighten up all this. That's gonna be the last thing.
Yeah, so you gotta put the drive shaft in there. You might be a little longer, a little short.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, YouTube. There it is, man. Y'all see that thing mounted up in there, man. It's there. Me and my man Zoe. And my other man Marcus. We got it all done, man. Got this sucker mounted in. Ain't gotta do nothing but tighten up the motor mounts right there. Tighten up all of them bolts. That's it. But she in there. She back in the garage. Y'all see it? She back in there. So coming next, we gonna put the intake on, and we gonna do all the wiring. We're gonna do all the wiring, and then after we do the wiring, we'll plumb the fuel system. YouTube.